Around 100 passengers who travelled from Guwahati reached Imp-Ghty bus terminus at Imphal safely on Monday afternoon as public transport services along Imphal to Manipur Guwahati route via National Highway No. 2 continued for the third consecutive day amid tight security. Meanwhile, more than 250 passengers, including women and children, left Imphal for Manipur and Guwahati in 5 buses and 7 winger vehicles around 1 p.m. Their departure was delayed following an unwanted incident at Tafo village in Manipur district, but timely intervention by the government and the public support prevented the situation from escalating. Adequate security personnel and road opening parties were deployed along vulnerable stretches of National Highway No. 2 to ensure safe passes. No unwanted incidents was reported during the journey from Guwahati to Imphal. Passengers welcomed the government's initiative, describing the journey as peaceful and safe while expressing gratitude to the Naga and Kuki communities along National Highway No. 2 for their cooperation in ensuring smooth movement of vehicles.